Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start with the exercise 9.2. In that, the first question it is find the sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001. So here we have to find the sum of the odd numbers from 1 to 2001. See here. The odd numbers from 1 to 2001 are so it is 1, 3, 5 and so on. It is 1, 3, 5 and so on up to 2001. So it is 2001. So this sequence forms an arithmetic progression. Here the first term it is 1, and what about the common difference? How do you find the common difference? It is A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. Like that we find the common difference. So here A is equals to 1 and then D, which is equals to 3 minus 1 it is 2 and 5 minus 3 it is 2. That means the difference is same. And then what is this 2001? It is the nth term or the general term. That is why I will be taking it as AN which is equals to 2001. Now you know the formula of nth term, that is A plus n minus 1 into D. So here AN which is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Actually we should find the sum of this sequence, but to find the sum we need to find the number of terms. Andra ee sequence alli ಎಷ್ಟು ಪದಗಳದ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ nth term ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ. So substitute the value of AN. It is 2001. Then which is equals to A, it is 1 plus n, it is unknown, ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ, as it is ಬರಿಬೇಕೀಗ. n minus 1 into D. What is D? It is 2. Then now take this 1 to the LHS, it becomes minus 1. 2001 minus 1 which is equals to n minus 1 into 2. So 2001 minus 1 will be, it is 2000 which is equals to n minus 1 into 2. Now you take 2 to the LHS, it goes to the denominator. So here overall we get 2000 divided by 2. Then here we have n minus 1. So now if we get 1000, 2000 divided by 2 will give us 1000. So 1000 which is equals to n minus 1. And then take minus 1 to the LHS, it becomes plus 1. So 1000 plus 1 which is equals to n. So this implies n, it will be 1001. So that means overall from 1 to 2001 there are 1001 odd integers. Andra 1 ರಿಂದ 2001 ರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೀ 1001 ಬೆಸ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. So now we should go for the sum. Now Sn which is equals to formula ಏನೈತ್ರಿ, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute all the values now. Sn which is equals to n by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1001 by 2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, 1001 by 2, then into the bracket 2a. What is a here? The first term it is 1. So 2 into 1 plus n value ಗೊತ್ತದ್ರಿ, find out ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು, it is 1001. So 1001 minus 1 into D. D ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ್ರಿ 2 ಅದು. So it is 2. Then simplify this. Sn which is equals to 1001 divided by 2. Then inside the bracket 2 plus, so here you get 1000. 1 minus 1 will be 1000 into 2 will be 2000. So overall you get 2000 here. Then in the next step, so here Sn, which is equals to 1001 divided by 2 into 2002. Then cancel out these two now. It is, so 1s and here you get 1001. Now 1001 into 1001, Sn, which is equals to, so it is 100, then 2001. So this is the required sum. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ sum ಇಲ್ಲಿ? So it is 100 and 2001. So this is all about the first problem. Well, the second problem in the exercise 9.2, it is find the sum of all natural numbers lying between 100 and 1000 which are multiples of 5. So let us write the numbers which are lying between 100 and 1000 so that the number must be a multiple of 5. So here the natural numbers lying between 100 and 1000 which are multiples of 5 are, so here we get 105, then 110, then 115 and so on. It is 995. The last number which is a multiple of 5, it is 995. So here he has clearly given between 100 and 1000 andra 100 ಮತ್ತು 1000 ಒಳಗಡೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು, not 100 and 1000. So you have to leave those two, take in between numbers which are multiple of 5. So now this sequence forms an AP, and here the first term it is 105 and common difference it is 5, whereas the nth term it is 995. So before going for the sum, first we have to calculate the number of terms. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪದಗಳಿದಾವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ here a which is equals to 105 and then d which is equals to 110 minus 105 or 115 minus 110 will be 5, and then an will be, nth term will be 995. Then let us go for the formula now. An which is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an it is 995 which is equals to a. What is the value of a? It is 105. Then plus n, ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ ನಮಗೆ, ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕೀಗ. n minus 1 into d ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ it is 5. So into d it is 5. So now I take 105 to the left hand side, it becomes minus 105. So 995 minus 105 which is equals to n minus 1 into 5. So subtract these two, we get 890. So 890 which is equals to n minus 1 into 5. So now take 5 to the LHS, it goes to the denominator. Overall you get n minus 1. 890 divided by 5 equal to n minus 1 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನೇ n minus 1 equal to 890 divided by 5 ಅಂತೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. So now simplify this, how much you get? n minus 1 which is equals to, so 5 ones are So you have 3 now. So 5 sevens are, then 5 eights are. So now take minus 1 to the RHS, it go minus 1 to the RHS, it becomes plus 1. You get 178 plus 1 will be 179. N which is equals to 179. So overall between 100 and 1000 there are 179 terms. So now we should go for Sn. Therefore Sn which is equals to n by 2, then 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now Sn which is equals to n. What is n? It is 179 divided by 2, then into the bracket 2 into 105 plus n minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 179 minus 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು into d. d ಅಂದರೆ 5 ಅದಿಲ್ಲಿ. So now Sn which is equals to, now take this, first we'll simplify this and later we'll take 2 inside. So 179 divided by 2, then here write this as it is 2 into 105, then plus 179 minus 1 will be 178, 178 into 5, 178 into 5. Now take this 2 inside, it will be dividing to the first term as well as to the second term. So here 2 get cancels. Sn which is equals to 179, then inside the bracket you get 105 plus here 178 divided by 2 will give us 89. So 89 into 5. So now in the next step Sn which is equals to 179 into the bracket 105 plus multiply these two, you get 445. So 445. Now add these two now. 445 plus 105, you get 550. 550 into 179. That we have to do in the next step. So here Sn which is equals to 179 into 550. So overall Sn which is equals to, so you can multiply these two numbers using the small calculator. Overall you get 98,450. 98,450. So this is the required sum of all the natural numbers between 100 and 1000 which are multiples of 5. This is all about the second problem. Well, the third problem it is, in an arithmetic progression, the first term is 2 and the sum of the first 5 terms is 1/4 of the next 5 terms. Show that 20th term it is minus 112. So he has given the first term, that is 2, and he says sum of the first 5 terms it is 1/4 of the sum of the next 5 terms. So we have to write this now clearly. So given a which is equals to 2, has given the first term it is 2, then we consider the arithmetic progression as a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d and so on. So what is a here? It is 2. Andre now idanne 2 plus d, 2 plus 2d, 2 plus 3d, 2 plus 4d so on ಈ ತರ ಬರಿಬೋದ್ರಿ. So here the AP is 2, 2 plus d, 2 plus 2d, then 2 plus 3d, 2 plus 4d, 2 plus 4d. Then this is the sum of first 5 terms. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಮ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಬರೀ 5 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದಿವಿ. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಸಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು 1/4 ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ತವೆ ಈಗ 2 plus 5d, 2 plus 6d, 2 plus 7d, 2 plus 8d ಇಂಥ ಥರ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ and so on. So now here the sum of first 5 terms, the sum of first 5 terms, ಸಮ್ ತಗೋರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 2 + 2 + 2 + 2 + 2 ಅಂದರೆ 10 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ ಓವರಾಲ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 10. ನೌ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಡಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿ + 2d, 3d + 3d, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 6d + 4d, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 10d. 10d. Now this is sum of first 5 terms. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 terms ಇದು ಸಮ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ನಾವು and sum of next 5 terms and sum of next 5 terms. next 5 terms ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ ಅದು 2 + 5d, 2 + 6d, 2 + 7d, 2 + 8d, 2 + 9d ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಮ್ ತಗೋರಿ. ಅಗೇನ್ 2 + 2 + 2 + 2 + 2 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 10. 10 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ ಅಪ್ ಟು 9d ವರೆಗೂ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 35d ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 35d. ಹಾಂ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 + 10d ಅದ ರೀ. 10 + 10d. This is sum of the first 5 terms, which is equals to 1/4 of the sum of the next 5 terms. It is 10 + 35d. 10 + 35d. Now I take 4 to the LHS. It will be multiplied with the first term as well as with the second term. You get 40 + 40d. This is equals to 10 + 35d. So now take 10 to the LHS and 40d to the RHS. So overall we get 40 minus 10, which is equals to 35d minus 40d. ಹೌದ್ರಿ. 40 minus 10 it is 30, which is equals to ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ -5d ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So you get -5d. Now take -5 to the left hand side, it goes to the denominator. Andre d equal to -6 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Overall d which is equals to 30 divided by -5. 30 by -5 ಅಂದರೆ d ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಓವರಾಲ್ -6. So you have got the value of d. Next ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Show that 20th term it is -112. ಅಂದರೆ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಇಲ್ರಿ 20 ಅದು. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ an which is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. ನಮಗೇನು ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ a20 ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ n ಜಾಗದ ನಾನು 20 ಬರಿತೀನಿ. a ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಅದ. ಸೊ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ n ಅಂದರೆ 20 ರೀ. 20 minus 1 ಇಂಟು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ d ಅಂದರೆ -6. Then a20 which is equals to, so 2 20 minus 1 it is 19. 19 into -6 it is -114. Then a20 which is equals to, you get -112. So here we have got the answer as -112. So this is all about the third problem.